how you can connect Antigravity MCP to Widsoir.ai. So open your Antigravity account, and now we want to open settings in left down corner area. And once you are here, go to customizations. And here you'll see installed MCP servers. So we want to add MCP, this button. Now simply search for Widsoir.ai. It should be here by default, or you can just search for it. Then click on add. Here if you click on Widsoir.ai, it's gonna show you how you can integrate it. So here are many modules. You can scroll down and open how to integrate data into Antigravity. So now you can scroll down and you will need Antigravity IDE. So if you open your Antigravity, here is Open IDE in right upper corner area. Choose the file or your project. Let me click yes here, and now we want to click these three dots in right upper corner area and MCP servers. And once you are here, click on manage MCP servers. As you can see, I got here Stripe, and there is the Widsoir. Click on Widsoir, and here view raw config, click on that. Now go back to Widsoir.ai and copy here this and paste it to here. So now that should be it. You can refresh and it should be working. So it's simple as that. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.